Welcome to Mechatronics MCQ, the final part 6, which is the initial stage in mechatronics design. So actually, mechatronics design, it has 8 stages. So it starts with identification of need and then analysis of the problem, preparation of specification, generation of possible solutions, selection of suitable solution, production of a detailed design, production of working drawings and implementation of design. So the first step is identification of the need. In mechatronic system of temperature control, which is replaced with a thermocouple. So in traditional system, we use bimetallic strip. So in mechatronic system, it is replaced with a sensor. So it is, the answer here is bimetallic strip. Dash is a reprogrammable multifunctional manipulator. So the definition of robot itself, a robot is nothing but a reprogrammable multifunctional manipulator. So robot is the right answer. Which among the following is not an actuator? An actuator is a device that converts any form of energy into mechanical energy. So having said this, servo motor, stepper motor and solenoid, they are actuators. So limit switch is not an actuator. Which forms an open loop system? So open loop system does not have any feedback mechanism. So servo motor, temperature control with feedback, they have feedback control. Driver driving a car. So in a driver driving a car, he uses his eyes and he gets the feedback and accordingly he adjusts the car. So that is also a closed loop system. So stepper motor is an open loop system. So option A is the correct answer. The sensor used in servo motor to determine the position of the rotor is potentiometer. We use potentiometer in servo motor. Identify the element that is present in mechatronic system and not in traditional system design. So in mechatronic system, we have controllers, microcontroller. Whereas in traditional, we also have gears, hydraulic cylinders and springs in traditional also. So in mechatronic system only, we have microcontroller in addition to that. Traditional does not have any controllers. Which sensor is used in automatic car park barrier? So we use limit switches in automatic car park barrier to determine whether the gate has been completely opened or completely closed. Which of the following is true regarding traditional system? It is accurate than mechatronic system. That's false because mechatronic system is more accurate. It has less number of moving parts than mechatronic system. That is also wrong. It is less flexible than mechatronic system is also wrong. So it is bulkier than mechatronic system. That is correct. The maximum torque that can be applied to a powered stepper motor without moving it from its rest position. So that is called as holding torque. If a stepper motor has a step angle of 15 degree, then determine the digital input rate for making 7 revolutions per second. So actually for 15 degree, one pulse is given, that is step angle. So for one pulse, it will rotate 15 degree. So for one revolution, that is for 360 degree, how many pulses am I supposed to give? It is 360 into 1 by 15. So I should give 24 pulses for one revolution. So they have asked to make 7 revolutions per second. So for 7 revolutions per second, I have to multiply this with 7. So that is 168 pulses per second. So option B is the correct answer. The number of pulses that a microprocessor has to output per second to make a stepper motor to rotate with a speed of 120 RPM. So the same concept for 360 degree, I should give 360 by 7.5, that is 48 pulses per revolution. So here they have asked, it is rotating with 120 RPM. So that means that 120 revolutions per minute. Now we'll convert that to per second. So to convert minutes to second, here it's per minute. So it's by 60. So that is 2 revolutions per second. So for 2 revolutions per second, it should be 48 into 2. So that is 96 pulses per second. What is the step angle of a hybrid stepper motor having 8 rotor teeth and 6 stator poles? So there is a simple formula. So number of pulses for one revolution is given by number of rotor teeth into number of stator poles. So it is 8 into 6, that is 48. So this is for 1 revolution. So that means 48 pulses are required for rotation of 360 degree. Now one pulse will rotate it for like 1 into 360, it's cross multiplication. So 1 into 360 by 48. So I need 7.5 degree. So for one pulse it will rotate 7.5 degree. So step angle is 7.5 degree. Stepper motor, it's an actuator, we have already seen. Choose the correct statement. So this is like already we have seen, and it's like repetition. Traditional system has controller, that is false. Traditional system is more accurate than mechatronic system is false. Traditional system is bulkier than mechatronic system is correct. Traditional system is more flexible than mechatronic system is wrong. So option C is the correct answer. So with this, we have completed the MCQs of all the chapters. So prepare well for the exam. All the best. Do well. Thank you.